Sup guys, it's Shannon from SB88. I'm fitting a radio to this Fiat 500 with a reversing camera. So I thought I'd just show you guys quickly what the reversing camera power supply wire is, just in case you're trying to do it yourself. So you see this one where my pin's going into number 2. Yeah, the pin fell out, but the second one in green and grey is a reverse light feed. So you use that to connect to your reversing camera power supply, which I've got coming out of that hole there, and you can just see the camera there. Yeah, this one's kind of cool though. Stay tuned though, because it comes with a beeper, so it would act like a parking sensor system somehow. This is the first one of them I've seen, so we'll test that in a minute and see how good it is. So I'll run the cables through here, this little tube. You see, if you've got a Fiat 500 though, these cables are likely to start breaking. So I've taped up where these wires are exposed and they were about to break. It's good to spray some WD-40 to stop it from happening, because it's something that will happen. Yeah, and if it does happen, you can contact me and I'll change them up for you. Do you know what I mean? Alright, so it can be done, it can look tidy, nearly there. Alright guys, so that's the radio installed there, and it's got a reversing camera that has a buzzer to negate the need for parking sensors. But obviously parking sensors are like a belts and braces thing. Is if the radio's off, you know that your parking sensors will still work. But this is the buzzer for the camera. First time ever fitting one of these, and I'll show you how it works. Recording. Okay, let's try it one more time. This is the reversing camera with a buzzer to help you reverse. Looking back, still got a bit to go. They're not going any closer. So it's picking up that there's something there, but it's not going to stop me from hitting it. So it's best to get the parking sensors as well if you want to know when you should stop. But even with parking sensors, you should exercise caution. So yeah. Let's reverse into a parking bay. It makes the reversing quite busy. There's a lot to look at. Yeah, but this is technology. Anyway, if you need it installed, let me know. I think you definitely should get the parking sensors.
100%.
Look at this, is how I managed to park, trying to focus on that camera.